Redefining comfort in footwear with 3D printing sounds revolutionary. If only traditional markets could keep up. 1. High costs. The advanced materials and custom production processes demand steep investments, leaving many brands unwilling to take the leap. 2. Slow adoption. Traditional manufacturers resist change, preferring familiar methods over embracing innovative solutions. 3. Complex logistics. Integrating 3D printing into existing supply chains adds layers of complexity, slowing down production and delivery. Not every market is ready for progress, but you can be. Explore the comfort revolution at 3dshoes.com.